Dose-response relationship. A dose-response curve represents the relationship between a drug's dose and its biological effect. The intensity of a drug's response generally increases with dose, or more precisely, with the concentration at the receptor site. As drug-receptor interaction follow the law of mass action, the resulting dose-response curve typically follows a rectangular hyperbola. Mathematically, the relationship is where E is the observed effect at a given drug dose D, Emax is the maximum possible response, Kd is the dissociation constant. The, the curve transforms into a sigmoid shape when the dose is plotted on a logarithmic scale. In the intermediate response range, that is 30 to 70% of the maximum effect, a linear relationship emerges between the log of the dose and the response. Important parameters include threshold dose, the lowest dose that produces a measurable effect, EC50, the dose that produces 50% of the maximum effect, Emax, the highest response achievable representing efficacy. Potency refers to the amount of a drug required to achieve a specified effect level. It is commonly used to compare drugs with similar therapeutic actions. For example, if 1 mg per kg of drug A produces 50% of the desired effect, but 10 mg of drug B is needed for the same response, drug A is considered more potent than drug B. Likewise, both are more potent than drug C if it requires an even higher dose. Efficacy is defined by the maximum effect a drug can achieve. For example, if the dose-response curves of drug A, B, and C show maximum effect of 100%, 50%, and 25% respectively, then the order of efficacy is A greater than B, B greater than C. Drugs capable of producing the maximum possible effect are called full agonists, while some agonists achieve their maximal effect when binding to less than 100% of available receptors. In such cases, the remaining unoccupied receptors are referred to as spare receptors. Graded dose-response curves represent a continuous increase in drug effect, with dose in an individual helping determine EC50 and Emax. Quantal dose-response curves measure an all or none response in a population, showing the percentage of individuals responding at each dose and determining ED50 and LD50.